What do you see, Lucy? You see cars? Oh, those naughty cars driving by our house. You gonna get them? You gonna get them? Get those cars. You're our little security system, aren't you? Yeah. Oh boy. Filming Lucy while she protects the house. She's our house protector. Max is taking a nap.
Yeah.
Well, Lucy protects us all, don't you, Lucy?
Max didn't get a nap today.
No, Max didn't want a nap
He
today.
didn't want one. Nope.
Aw.
That's okay, because I have plenty of things to do around here. I was sleeping all the time.
What do you think, Lucy? You gonna attack him? No, you're gonna be a good girl, not bark, are ya? Just heavy breathing. Yeah, you're a good girl to protect the house. Thank you.